Stop picking AI frameworks. Before you touch another library, you need to understand the 5 layers every production-grade autonomous agent runs on. Skip one, your whole system collapses. Today, I'm giving you the exact 5-layer autonomous agent stack. This is the difference between a user and an architect. Zero fluff, zero theory, just the layers, the tools, and why each one matters. Let's go. Most people just grab GPT-4 and call it a day. That's like choosing a car engine without thinking about what you're building. Pick the wrong LLM in production. You get inconsistent outputs, hallucinations, and blown budgets. Your LLM core needs to match the task. For reasoning-heavy tasks, Claude Sonnet or GPT-4o. For speed and cost-sensitive, Gemini Flash or Mistral. For code generation, Claude Sonnet 4 or GPT 4.1. The brain needs to fit the job. Your agent forgets every conversation the moment it ends. That's not intelligence. That's amnesia. And you cannot build autonomous systems on amnesia. Architects build 3 types of memory. Short-term is your context window. Long-term is a vector database. And in vector databases, you can use Pinecone, ChromaDB, QDRANT. Episodic is structured logs in PostgreSQL or Redis. These 3 together, your agent actually learns from what it's done. An agent without tools is just a text generator, and a single agent with tools but no coordination, that's a one-person team trying to run a factory. Tools are how your agent acts on the world. Web search, code execution. Email AP is file access. And the orchestration layer, that's LangChain, CrewAI, LangGraph, N8N. Coordinating multiple specialized agents working in parallel. That's your nervous system. That's where real automation lives. You deploy your agent, and you have zero idea if it's hallucinating. Your users find out before you do. That's not architecture, that's chaos shipping. Architects instrument everything. RAGAS for RAG evaluation, faithfulness, relevance, completeness. LangSmith or Helicone for observability. Phoenix for tracing. You need the numbers before your users do. Now, before layer 5, quick question. Which layer do you think most teams skip entirely? Drop it in the comments. I'll tell you if you're right. Your agent works perfectly on localhost. You deploy it, but it crashes. It leaks credentials. It's unscalable. This is where most hobbyist builds die. Production agents run containerized. Docker, Kubernetes. Secrets are managed through environment variables or a vault. Rate limiting on every API call. Authentication on every endpoint. And execution? Cron jobs or event triggers. So your agent runs autonomously without you babysitting it. 5 layers, LLM core, memory, tools and orchestration, evaluation, deployment. That's the stack. That's the difference between a user who prompts and an architect who builds systems. If you're serious about this path, subscribe, because next week we go layer by layer with real implementation. Stop being a user, become an architect.